crispy skin, tender and juicy meat. There's nothing better than a fried turkey, except when you can cook it without the oil. Char-Broil brings you the fast, easy, and safe way to fry with the Big Easy Oilless Turkey Fryer. Simply connect your propane. Turn the ignition. Place your bird in the basket, and let the Big Easy Fryer do the rest. Char-Broil's patented true infrared technology circulates heat across your food, ensuring the entire turkey is cooked evenly. The radiant heat cooks food quicker and, just like deep frying, cooks your food to perfection. But unlike frying with oil, there's no extra calories or messy cleanup. The included meat thermometer keeps track of the cook. The lid screen helps crisp up the skin. And the convenient grease tray takes care of the drippings. From pork tenderloin to prime rib, the Big Easy Fryer is also perfect for any food you might usually roast. And optional accessories give you even more versatility to expand your menu. The Big Easy Oilless Turkey Fryer. With true infrared technology and no messy cleanups, Char-Broil gives you the ultimate tool for the perfect turkey dinner.